Every 45 seconds, another patient in the U.S. undergoes knee replacement surgery, and it's only getting worse. By 2030, that number is expected to jump nearly 400% to 3.5 million surgeries a year.
The possibilities of 3D printing are practically endless in that technology.
If you really want a perfect fit for a suit or a dress, you likely need to have it customized for your body size and shape.
So why not do it for something even more important, like a total knee replacement? CBS News' Dr. Max Gomez here now to tell us that's exactly what a company is doing using 3D printing. Doctor.
Yeah, that's right, Maurice. You know, 750,000 knee replacements are done yearly, and that number is going to go way up as baby boomers wear out their knees. How well those artificial knees relieve pain and how long they last depends on getting the fit and alignment just right. That's where custom implants help.
Dr. Bill Barnes with Piedmont Orthopedics tells me the traditional method for total knee replacement surgery is to insert an implant that best matches the patient's knee. But now there is a 3D printer that customizes an implant for a patient. A Fort Valley woman says this procedure has changed her life. Dr. Barnes adds it takes about 6 weeks for patients to receive the implants after they have been scanned, and hospitals save money on these procedures because they don't have to sterilize as much equipment.
Everywhere you look, computers are changing the landscape of modern life. Now high-tech medicine is moving from research labs to patients' legs.
We now have printers that can create the exact shape and they can be made on real time in a 3D printer.
Traditional implants are prefabricated in basic size groups. Surgeons pick the best fit and make it work. Only it doesn't work too well for everyone.
Some of the sizes were very, clunky and, large in certain diameters. Didn't really match women as well as men. And women make up about 65% of the knee replacements done.
Using 3D imaging, doctors create a virtual map of a patient's knee, essentially duplicating its shape and size. That data is sent off for production on a 3D printer. The end result is a truly personal implant. Best used on patients with limited damage or deformity, their new knee may be worth the month-long wait.
It feels more normal. It gives them a more normal gait pattern.
Another upside, the artificial joint comes with custom cutting guides that simplify surgery.
There's less bleeding, there's less surgical time. There's advantages that you see right off the bat.
Patients come away with a one-of-a-kind knee that should carry them comfortably into the future. For Lee Memorial Health System, I'm Amy Osher.
Remember when LASIK eye surgery came out? We aired Rich Morgan's surgery live on First News This Morning 17 years ago. Knee replacements are a popular surgery, and there's a medical advancement which is revolutionizing and modernizing the procedure. It's also cost-effective since the hospital doesn't have to stock as many prosthetists.
We've all heard the saying, one size fits all. Now, one Lincoln surgeon is changing that concept when it comes to knee replacements.
The number of people needing knee replacements has doubled over the last 15 years. This morning, KCTV5's Amy Anderson shows us a replacement that's uniquely fitted to the patients.
More than 600,000 knee replacement surgeries are done in the United States every single year. Keep in mind, though, as baby boomers continue to age, some say that figure will grow to 1 million in the next decade. So now more patients are choosing an option that allows doctors to build their patients' knees.
Welcome back. Imagine having total knee replacement surgery and being able to walk later that same day. It's happening more and more, and a Cedar Rapids doctor is getting national recognition for the way he's making it happen. CBS 2 News reporter Joy Howe here to tell us how he does it. Joy?
3D printing. It's hit the medical world, and really it's amazing what's happening, Karen. This Cedar Rapids...